Hello everyone, my name is Jay and I will be your lecturer for this Hangul course. For this lecture, I will be giving you a brief introduction of what Hangul is. Now, Hangul is basically the Korean alphabet. Just like when we learn English, we learn ABC. If we want to learn Korean, it is very important to get your Hangul right, your ABCs right. Hangul was created by King Sejong in 1443. Before Hangul was even invented, Korean was actually written in Chinese characters, which were extremely difficult for people to learn. So therefore, King Sejong created Hangul so that Koreans will be able to learn and write down their thoughts easily. Now look at these grey words over here. You can read them as Hangul. These English representations of each Korean character is called romanization. Do take note that for this course, there will be very minimal romanization. That is because there are certain sounds in Hangul that are difficult to represent using English words or letters. In fact, this is the only slide in the whole course that will contain romanization, so just bear that in mind. In Hangul, there are 21 vowels and 19 consonants. I've designed this course in such a way that learning will be progressive. We will start learning the easier characters first, and then we'll move on to learn the harder characters. Once you've gone through the whole course, you should be able to read, write, listen, and say Korean characters proficiently and accurately. In fact, there are writing exercises for you to do during this course. I highly recommend all of you to do these writing exercises diligently because these exercises will help you to remember these characters better. With that being said, let me teach you the first point about Hangul. In Korean, each Korean character is a syllabic block, meaning to say, if I have 3 Korean characters over here, each character will produce one sound, just like how English words have syllables. In this example over here, since there are 3 Korean characters, you should expect to hear 3 distinct sounds. In fact, this example here is read as banana, banana, pa-na-na. 3 syllables. To start off our learning of Hangul, it is important to know how to write a character. In order to write a Korean character, each character should have at least a consonant and a vowel. Here are 2 examples of 2 Korean characters, but I'm sure you can see a difference in both characters. In example 1, you notice that the consonant is on the left side while the vowel is on the right side. In example number 2, you notice that the consonant is on top and the vowel is at the bottom. I need all of you to know that in order to write a Korean character, you can either write it in a left-right orientation or a top-down orientation. In fact, in order to determine whether a character should be in left-right orientation or a top-down orientation, we need to look at the vowel. Notice that in example 1, the vowel is this symbol over here. Notice that there is a main stem to the symbol over here. And the main stem over here is a vertical main stem. And since the main stem is vertical, it should be written in the left-right orientation. In fact, I'm going to show you other vowels with a vertical main stem. These are other vowels that you'll get to learn in the next few lectures, but I want you to notice that for all these vowels, they all have a vertical main stem. Vertical main stem, vertical main stem, vertical main stem, and another vertical main stem. So since these vowels have vertical main stems, I should write characters containing these vowels in a left-right orientation. However, if you take a look at example 2, you'll notice that the vowel has a horizontal main stem. And since the vowel has a horizontal main stem, you will have to write your character in a top-down orientation. In fact, I'm going to show you the other vowels with horizontal main stems. Take a look at all these vowels here. All these vowels, they have one main stroke or one main stem that is horizontal, 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 and horizontal. And because these vowels are horizontal, you have to write in the top-down orientation. Now, I've also mentioned just now that each Korean character must have a consonant and a vowel. Take a look at examples 1 and 2. The symbols in the red area are vowels, but I'm sure you can see the circle in the blue areas, right? A circle in Hangul is an empty consonant. Meaning to say that this consonant has no sound at all. In fact, the empty consonant is silent. I want you to keep this empty consonant in mind because we will use this very much in the next lecture. I hope all of you are excited to go on this journey with me in learning Hangul. From the next lecture onwards, you'll be learning all the vowels and all the consonants of the Korean language. I will see you in the next lecture.